In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Arzopa portable monitor to Samsung phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use your Arzopa portable monitor with a mobile device, specifically a Samsung phone. To do this, you will need to establish two distinct connections using specific cables. The main connection is going to connect the Samsung phone and the monitor together, and it is done using a standard USB-C to USB-C cable. So plug one end of this cable into the Arzopa monitor. There are going to be plenty of USB-C ports available in here, and the other end goes into your Samsung phone. There is no secret to this. So on the charging port, plug the other end of the USB-C cable. This will establish a connection between the monitor and the Samsung phone, but you will notice that right away no image is going to appear. This is because you will need to provide it with external power. So use the USB-A to USB-C cable provided. The USB-C end will go into the Arzopa monitor, so there are going to be more USB-C ports like I mentioned, and this one will be used for this power cable. So plug the other USB-C end of the cable here, and then the USB-A end can go into a power bank, a power outlet, a power brick, any way to provide it with power. Once you provide it with power and you have the USB-C to USB-C connection established between the monitor and the phone, then you will be good to go. So if it isn't working right away, make sure that you have the external power supply providing it with the necessary amount of power. If you don't know specifics, check the manual for your particular model of Arzopa portable monitor. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.